Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a HiSET account. So the first thing you need to do is click into a browser. I'm on Chrome now, and you can use whatever you want. If you're on a tablet or a phone, click a browser up on your phone or tablet and then type in hiset.org. Okay, so as soon as it comes up, you'll see that you have a couple of options up here. Since you're a student, you'll click on for test takers. My internet's kind of slow right now, so excuse me. All right, so you'll scroll down and you'll find the sign in, sign up button. So some of you may have already signed up for an account and maybe you're trying to create a new one because you can't remember your credentials. Don't do that. If you forgot your credentials, either your username or password, HiSET has a way to recover those things. And so again, here's those buttons right here, forgot username and forgot password. If you forgot both, start at forgot username, figure that out, and then forgot password. Um, you have to remember which email you used here. I have students sometimes who are like, oh no, that email's not working. I'm sure that I used that email. Well, if the email that you think you use isn't working, first check the email, make sure you wrote it in correctly, right? And then second, try every email you've ever used in your life because it may be one of those. As soon as it's the correct email, then HiSET will move forward and then send a recovery email to that email address that you provided. Okay, so but we're creating a new account today. Go down to new user and click on create an account. Again, slow internet. Okay, so I'm not going to put in any of my information, but I'm going to go through these and kind of tell you what they mean. So personal information is like your name, um, your date of birth, right? Gender, social security number. Do provide your social security number. That's how they're going to track whenever you do pass your tests, to get you a diploma in the mail or send it to a college or whatever. So I know sometimes it's scary to put in socials, and it's not required here, but I do recommend doing it. Um, and all it says right there, look, failure to provide your social security could delay your jurisdiction state's processing. So the email address, click the email address that you feel most comfortable with. If you've been given some sort of domain username like delt.org or delt.edu or something, right? Or some other kind of school username and password email, you can use that if you feel comfortable doing it. I recommend using a personal email address that you are never going to forget and always have access to. Do your address, state, phone number. Do a phone number too. Make sure it works here, and then communication preferences, right? All this stuff. Good. And so fill that out to the best of your knowledge. Oh, it's not going to let me go forward. So, anyways, um, they'll ask you a couple of other things like demographics and stuff like that, and additional information, where you went to school at, what grade you went up to, background information. This is where the demographics will be. Um, and then you'll create a username and password here. Write it down. I mean, or write it down, take a picture on your phone, and then get rid of it if you're scared of somebody getting your username and password. Um, but do log in often so that you can remember this username and password. That's the best way to remember it. And then they'll have you review and submit. And you should get an email or something saying, okay, hey, go ahead and verify that you set up this account. But I would urge you log in often. Um, and then here is a site that where you'll schedule your tests. You'll you'll check on your scores. If you miss a test, you'll have to reschedule a test, or if you don't pass a test, you have to reschedule on this website as well. So it's really important that you keep track of your information here. All right, thanks for watching.